Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm the Bean and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pencil bun. Now there are many variations of this style, but today I'm just going to be doing a basic bun and then showing you two slight variations. Here is what the first one looks like that we will be doing. As you see, it's very simple, it's very elegant, and all you need is a pencil or hair stick or chopstick or anything that resembles a pencil, which is really neat. So to get started, we're going to brush out any tangles and then we're going to tuck the hair behind the ears and we are going to pull the hair back as if we were going to tie it in a ponytail, and don't be afraid to grab that brush and comb out any wild pieces. And then we are going to hold the ponytail in our right hand while we use the left hand to twist the hair. I actually made another video on how to do a bun with just a hair tie. So we do the same concept here. We just keep twisting that hair until it twists around on itself, and you want to make sure that this is nice and tight, and we're going to tuck those ends in underneath so that they're not flipping out and we create that nice clean bun. And then when you take your pencil, we're essentially going to weave it in and out. So you're going to start off with the tip of the pencil facing towards the scalp, not at a 90-degree angle, but kind of angled to the side a little bit. And as you slide it in, you want to go almost down to the scalp, but not quite. You don't want to scratch yourself. And then you want to tilt the pencils the opposite direction and just kind of weave it in, turning the pencil or tilting the pencil back and forth until it gets to the opposite end. And then we're going to slide it through the hair outside of the bun to make sure that bun stays in place. And it's important to make sure it's a nice tight bun so the pencil actually has something to hold on to. If it's too loose, it's just going to fall out. Now I know this can be a little tricky to get the first time, especially figuring out exactly how to move the pencil. So I'm going to show you again. This is going to be the same style of bun, except this time we're going to leave the ends a little bit looser so that they hang down just a little bit. So we're going to start with our ponytail in our right hand. We're going to use our left hand to twist the hair around itself, just like we did before. And just keep twisting until it folds in and on itself. You still want to make it tight, even though we're going to leave those ends out a little bit. And then when we grab our pencil, we need to make sure we're starting on the edge of the bun. Like I said, start so that the pencil faces towards the scalp at an angle, and then once you get it down towards the scalp, not quite touching, you're going to tilt the pencil up and then slide it in a little bit more and back down and just keep weaving it. When you're doing this, you should feel a little bit of tension on your hair. It shouldn't be pulling so much that it hurts, but you should be feeling a little bit of tension. If you're not, it's probably not going to hold. But you can see I was holding the ends looser, so they're popping out a little bit. And right here is where you want to make sure that pencil comes through the hair that's not in the bun. This way the bun stays in place. And that is another variation with the ends hanging out just a little bit if you want to have a slightly looser look. Now, if you're finding difficulty creating this style, I'd recommend trying to do a half up look. I think that using a little bit less hair makes it a little bit easier to do the bun. So we're going to do essentially the same thing, only we're going to part the hair just above the ears to create a half a ponytail. And again, we're going to hold the hair with our right hand and we're going to use our left to twist the hair. So I think it's just a little bit easier to use less hair. So again, if you're struggling, I would start off doing this half bun until you kind of get your hands to understand what to do, and then maybe try to pull all your hair up at once. So we're just going to twist it all the way around and tuck those ends in, and then we're going to do the same thing with our pencil. We're going to hold the bun with our left hand, and we're going to take that pencil at an angle right on the edge of the bun, stick it in just a little bit, and then weave it back and forth. This style can be a little bit tricky the first couple times, so if you're struggling, please don't give up. It took me a couple tries the first time I ever tried to do a pencil bun myself, but I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a fabulous day.